I'm Phiilippe DioGuardi, and I've been a tax litigation lawyer for 20 years. Here's the most important thing that experience has taught me. When you're dealing with an enemy as big and as process-driven as the CRA, you have to fight back. As an agent of our federal government, the agency has all the power of bureaucratic policy on its side. And it's policy, not law, that decides when it's time to get aggressive about collecting on your tax file. It's policy, exercised at the whim of a collection agent whose managers have imposed a year-end, quarter-end, or even a decade-ending code on closing files that strikes out at you with a wage garnishment to your employer, or seizure of the funds in your bank account, or letters to your key clients demanding that they pay the CRA instead of you. All these measures can choke the life out of your business and destroy your financial stability, all to fulfill managerial agendas dictated from higher levels with no other interest in securing their next category promotion and attendant salary increase. How do I know this? I do battle with the CRA every day. I have thousands of case files to prove deliberate patterns of behavior, and I lead a team of seasoned tax lawyers who have stood up to the CRA and won. I don't call that overkill. I call that strategy, serious strategy, calculated to preserve your right to be allowed to pay out all the tax assessed as payable according to tax returns filed by you, not arbitrarily assessed by the CRA's own accounting teams, and not including the punishment in the form of penalties and interest, which over time can more than double the size of your tax bill, and which, through a thoroughly researched and eloquently presented application for taxpayer relief, are subject therein to the right of redress, and thus may be reduced. Taking on the CRA to achieve a fair and final settlement of your tax situation isn't overkill. It's smart. When experience counts, you know who to call.